Hi friends, welcome to my channel once again. Today we'll see a very healthy breakfast recipe, that is Aata Dosa. Now Aata means here I have taken plain wheat flour. I have taken around 2 cups of wheat flour over here. Now with this I have taken 1 cup of rice flour. Then here is Eno fruit salt, the normal Eno that we get. This is I'll be using around half a teaspoon, and this is salt as per taste. Then we'll need water and we'll need some oil. We can also use butter or ghee as per your choice. Now many times what happens is we feel like having dosa, and at that time the dosa batter is not ready, and many a times we then skip the idea of having dosa. But with this wheat flour, because I hope everybody will be having this wheat flour at home, with this wheat flour we can prepare instant and delicious breakfast, that is dosa. Now see, I have taken 2 cups of wheat flour over here. To this I am adding 1 cup of rice flour. Now this is optional. If you do not have rice flour, you can always skip it. You can only use wheat flour and make this dosa, no issues. Then to this I am adding some salt, say around 1.5 teaspoon. This is as per your taste. Then again, as I showed you, we'll be using Eno fruit salt. This is to get the instant fluffiness. Now here you can see I am using half a teaspoon of Eno fruit salt, and then plainly with this water we'll have to mix this. I am adding water to this, and as required I'll be mixing this. Just keep on adding. It should have a proper dosa consistency. Just show you, I'm mixing this. You can keep on adding water and see the consistency. The batter has to be like the dosa batter that we make usually. The batter has to be nicely smooth. There should be no lump formations. As per your requirement, you can add water and mix it. Now today I am making plain dosa, but if you have some potato vegetable or some onions chopped with you or green chilies, then you can also mix it with this, or when you put the dosa on the tawa or the griddle, then you can spread the vegetables and do the masala dosa or something. Now see, this consistency is like idli consistency, so I need to add some more water. And now I think this much water is sufficient. The bubbles, you can see the bubble formations because of the Eno fruit salt. Now we'll move on to prepare our dosa. This is the perfect dosa consistency. Now we'll start preparing our dosa. Now friends, you can see I have kept a tawa or pan over here. Now before you put the dosa, you just pour some water like this, wipe it with a cloth, and then pour the dosa batter in the center. And with this backside of this ladle, just spread it like this. And you can increase the flame now. Now instead of rice flour that I've added, you can also add some oats powder or any other flour that you have, or even plain wheat flour dosa also tastes yummy. Now you can pour some water. See, I am pouring some oil on the top and allow it to cook for 1 or 2 minutes. If you need a crispier dosa, you have to wait for some time before flipping it over. You can just check like this if it's coming off. Just flip it over. See, it has got a nice color also. And let it cook on the other side. Once it's done on both the sides, you can just take it off and pour it in a dish. Now we'll try one more dosa. Again, put some water, wipe it with a cloth and just add the batter in the center. Spread it like this evenly. Increase the flame. Wait for some time. Once you see the water gets evaporated and becomes a little porous, we can add some oil. And then wait for some time. Let it nicely cook from the other side as well. You can just lift it like this and see if it's coming off. Then a dosa is done from one side. Just slowly flip it over. See, it has got a nice color and also it has become crispy. So now it is done. I'll switch off the flame and do the serving. Now friends, you can see here is our atta dosa. I am serving this with the gunpowder. I'll just show you the gunpowder. It is like this. It's easily available in the market. I have just poured some ghee over it or oil. You have to mix it. And this is instant chutney. It's very delicious with this dosa. It goes very well. So friends, if you like this recipe, then do give it a try and please let me know. And also like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.